What a beautiful thought I am thinking concerning a great speckled bird. Remember, her name is recorded on the pages of God's holy word, desiring to lower her standard. They watch every move that she makes. They long to find fault with her teaching, but he really find no mistake. I am glad I have learned of her meekness, and I'm proud that my name is in the book. For I want to be sworn, never fearing the